Assalamu alaikum. I hope you all are fine. I am Marwa Abbas, lecturer of chemistry from Maryland High School. Today I am here to teach you a new topic of class 8, chapter number 3. The topic of the discussion is Mendeleev's periodic table. In previous lectures, if you remember, we was discuss about the some laws of the scientist for the efforts of the arrangement of the elements in a systematic way or systematic manner in a periodic table, in a table. Today a new scientist, that is the Mendeleev. He was live in Russia, mean in Rus, in Russia. He was lived in Russia, that's why it's called Russian chemist. He arranged the elements in a new way by the help of a new techniques. When he was arranged the elements in a way or in a table, at that time only 63 elements was discovered. Then scientists thinks about how we can arrange these elements and how we can study of their behavior, their structure, their relationships, their reactions, their chemical equations, etc. And then Russian chemist, that was the Mendeleev, tells about how they arrange the element in a table, and that table was called the periodic table at that time. He tells that first of all he take the property of the element, that was the atomic mass. He is the Russian chemist. Then only 63 elements was discovered at that time. He arranged these 63 elements in a table by the help of rows and columns. He formed a table and arrange the elements in rows and tables. He take the base of this table is atomic mass. That is the property of those elements which were arranged in a table. When they are arranged the elements in a rows and column by the increasing of the atomic number, by this method the elements are arranged and the same having those elements which having same properties which are lie on the same group. Means let's suppose if 8 elements or 9 elements have the same properties, when they are arranged on the increasing their atomic mass, all 8 or 9 elements are arranged in a same column or in a same vertical row, or that's why their table which was their form are acceptable, because all elements according to the Newland's table, after 8 element 9 one have the same property like first one, and they are present on the they have the position on the first behind the first one, and this law was appreciated by the Mendeleev's law. That's why the periodic table of the Mendeleev's was accepted. The periodic law of the Mendeleev is that periodic law of Mendeleev's properties of the elements are periodic function of their atomic masses, because Mendeleev take the base is atomic mass of the elements. That's why when he gave a law of their work, he said that properties of the elements are the periodic function of their atomic masses. Means when elements are arranged in a rows or column, they show their functions or their properties on the basis of their atomic mass. That was the law of the Mendeleev's when they arrange the elements in a periodic table or a table, and after the arranging this table, after the arranging of the elements in a table, this table was called periodic table. Okay, now they have some drawbacks in their law. No doubt their attempt is very successful or helpful for all the scientists of the world, but they have some drawbacks, and the drawback is that they didn't explain the position of the isotopes of that element which was not present at that time. And second one, they are wrongly arranged some elements on the basis of their wrong atomic masses. It's mean they didn't have their accurate periodic table because they didn't explain the position of isotopes, where isotopes are lie in the table. Second one is that they wrongly arrange some elements due to their wrong atomic mass. These are the drawbacks of the Mendeleev's periodic law. After the Mendeleev's periodic law or formed the periodic table of the Mendeleev's, some new scientist was come and they arranged the elements in a new way. New scientist or the periodic law. The new topic is periodic law. In 1930, H. Moseley was a scientist. He discovered a new property of the elements. In previous of the H. Moseley, all elements like Dobryners, Newlands and the Mendeleev's explain or arrange all elements on the basis of atomic masses. That was the single property at that time that he was known. But in 1930s, H. Moseley is a scientist. He was discovered a new property of the elements, that was the atomic number. After the discovery of atomic number, scientists think that now we should apply this property on the arrangement of the elements, and H. Moseley take the Mendeleev's periodic table and try to rearrange on the basis of the atomic number, because atomic masses are not fixed for every element. They may be equal to or more than 2 elements, but atomic number is fixed for every element. They can never be same in every element. Means both elements or 2 or more than 2 elements don't have the same atomic number. That's why H. Moseley thinks that why we should to apply atomic number on the Mendeleev's periodic table. After the applying the atomic number on the Mendeleev's periodic table, he get a new periodic table, and that periodic table on the basis of the increasing atomic number is a very good periodic table, and this periodic table was accepted by on the whole world. And now the periodic table that you are studying at that time, this is the on the basis of the atomic number. Why H. Moseley try to arrange the elements on the basis of the atomic number? The reason is that atomic number is fixed for every element, and the second one is that basically atomic number is the number of electron present in a element. That's why they arrange the elements on the basis of the atomic number. The periodic law of the H. Moseley The periodic law of the H. Moseley. Properties of elements are periodic function of their atomic number. Because H. Moseley take the atomic periodic table of the Mendeleev, they just arrange the elements on the basis of the atomic number. They just improve their periodic table, they didn't change their periodic table. That's why their law is same like the Mendeleev's periodic law. The last word is different in periodic law of the H. Moseley and the periodic law of the Mendeleev. Mendeleev's periodic law is based on the atomic masses, and the H. Moseley, that is the modern periodic law, is based on the atomic number. H. Moseley periodic law is also called modern periodic law because they are applied now on the whole world. I hope you all understand. Now I recall the lecture. First of all, we will discuss about the Mendeleev's periodic table. What is the Mendeleev? Who is the Mendeleev? Mendeleev was the Russian chemist, and he at that time when he was tries to arrange the elements in a systematic way, only 63 element was discovered. He tries to arrange the elements in the rows and column. Rows means vertical horizontal lines, and column mean vertical lines. When they are arranged these elements in the rows and column, they form a table, and this table was called Mendeleev's periodic table. The law of the Mendeleev's work is the properties of the elements are the periodic function of their atomic masses. Means their law is based upon the atomic masses. They arrange all elements on the basis of the atomic masses. But the periodic law of the Mendeleev's have some drawbacks. Why have some drawbacks? They didn't explain the position of the isotopes. They cannot explain where isotopes are placed in this table, which is arrange the elements which is formed by the Mendeleev's. And second drawback of the Mendeleev periodic table is that they wrongly arrange some elements on the basis of the wrong atomic mass. That's why their law was rejected. After some time, passing some time, H. Moseley, he was in 1913, he was discovered a new property of the elements, and this property is called atomic number. What is atomic number? Atomic number is the number of the electrons present in the elements. And he tries to arrange the elements again in a table, and he just improved the table of the Mendeleev's. He take the Mendeleev's periodic table and change the elements arrangement of the elements on the basis of the atomic number. Mendeleev's arrange elements on the basis of the atomic mass, but H. Moseley arranged these elements on the basis of the atomic number. Because atomic number is fixed for everyone, that's why they arrange all elements on the basis of the atomic number. And the periodic law of the H. Moseley is called properties of the elements are the periodic function of their atomic numbers. The only difference of the modern periodic table, that is the table of the H. Moseley, and the Mendeleev periodic table have one word, that is the atomic number and atomic mass. Mendeleev's periodic law only based upon the atomic mass, and the modern periodic law, that was the arranged at H. Moseley, is based upon the atomic number. And this law, which is called modern periodic law, is applied on whole world because it's a 100% correct law. That's why this table is applied on the world. And the recently structure of the table is modern periodic table, and the other name is the long form of the modern periodic table. The assignment for you student is that difference between Mendeleev's and modern periodic law. Also it justify. I hope you all are understand. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.